Imagine this. She walked away, thinking she could do better. But now, months later, she's scrolling through your social media, regretting every decision she made. Why? Because you've leveled up in ways she never expected. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits home for a lot of men. Why she regrets leaving you when you level up your life. If you've ever felt the sting of rejection or heartbreak, this is the ultimate guide to turning the tables. Not out of spite, but because you're building the best version of yourself. By the end of this video, you'll understand why leveling up is the most powerful move you can make, not just to attract her or anyone else, but to create a life that's truly fulfilling. Let's get started. The power of transformation. Let's start with a hard truth. People often make decisions based on who you are right now, not who you're capable of becoming. When she left, she may have seen your flaws, your struggles, or maybe even your lack of direction. But here's the thing. That version of you wasn't permanent. It was just a chapter. When you level up, whether it's hitting the gym, crushing it in your career, or mastering your mindset, you're showing the world and her that you're not stagnant. You're evolving. And that transformation, it's magnetic. Now think about this. How many times have you looked at someone who's improved their life and thought, wow, I underestimated them? That's exactly what's happening in her mind. The psychology of regret. Here's the real kicker. Regret isn't about you, it's about her. Psychologically, regret stems from comparison. When she sees you thriving, she starts comparing your current self to the guy she left behind and to the guys she's met since. If she thought the grass was greener on the other side, your glow-up becomes a harsh reminder that she bet on the wrong horse. And this isn't just speculation. Studies show that people are drawn to progress. When you're visibly improving, it triggers a fear of missing out on the new, upgraded you. Why leveling up is about you, not her. Let's be real. If your motivation to level up is just to make her regret leaving, you're missing the point. The real victory comes when you stop needing her validation altogether. Think about it. What's more attractive than a man who's confident, driven, and at peace with himself? When you're no longer defined by her approval, you become a force of nature. And trust me, she will notice the inevitable moment of regret. Here's how it plays out. One day, when she least expects it, she'll come across a photo, a mutual friend's story, or even bump into you. And in that moment, the regret will hit. She'll see the version of you that she didn't have the patience to wait for. She'll remember the times she doubted you, and she'll wonder, what if I had stayed? But by then, you'll be so focused on your own growth, you won't even need that validation. So, here's the takeaway. Leveling up your life isn't about revenge or proving a point. It's about becoming the man you were always meant to be. When you focus on your health, your purpose, and your happiness, everything else, including the regret of those who doubted you, becomes a byproduct. Now, I want you to do two things. First, start building that version of yourself today. Whether it's a small step or a big leap, just start. And second, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Remember guys, the best way to make her regret leaving is to stop caring about her regret altogether. You've got this. See you in the next video.